we are going to talk about a very popular home remedy, that is holy basil. All of you must have seen this plant in your homes, but what you also need to know is that there are many species of basil. One of them is the holy basil. These are the various species of Ocimum tenuiflorum. There are subtypes Rama and Krishna, Ocimum gratissimum, Ocimum saccharicum and Ocimum kilimanskarium. And these are the comparison of the various leaves of the basil. But what we are going to talk about is the holy basil. It consists of the leaves of Ocimum sanctum, also known as Ocimum tenuiflorum, belonging to the family Lamiaceae or Labiatae, and is found in homes across India. Being a very important medicinal plant, it is found in the Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India as well as the Indian Pharmacopoeia, the official books published by the Government of India. Just like clove, it consists of volatile oils, the main class being phenols, and out of which the main one again is eugenol. Now, a lot of work has been done on the holy basil. Whether it is the antifungal action or the antibacterial action, it has shown to have a very wide spectrum of activity against the variety of fungus as well as bacteria. So let us talk about its antiviral activity. It has been shown to have a very good effect on the bird flu virus, that is the H9N2. Its virucidal, therapeutic as well as prophylactic activities were studied, means how it destroys the virus, how it helps in the treatment of the infection of the virus, and how it can even prevent the infection of the bird flu virus. The virucidal effect could be due to the masking or the blocking of the hemagglutinin and the neuraminidase proteins, the two most viral proteins which give the name to the virus, that is H and N. It thereby inhibits the H9N2 virus replication. It has also been found to have a very good effect on the asthmatic patients. A lot of clinical trials on tulsi have been done. Just 500 mg of dried tulsi leaves taken 3 times daily have shown to improve the vital capacity of the respiration of the lungs and relief from asthma just within 3 days. Studies on the respiratory tract cell lines like BEAS2B cell lines have also been done, where it was found that the holy basil significantly suppresses the interleukin 6 and 8 expression. It inhibits the activation of mitogen activated protein kinase, also known as MAPK. It also suppresses the nuclear factor kappa B. What all of this indicates is that it has a very good effect on the immunity and maybe a hint at even the anti-cancer activity. Holy basil has also been found to have a very good activity on the cough, that is the antitussive activity. It works as effectively as codeine, a popular antitussive, on the throat, decreasing the irritations and producing the desired effects. It stimulates tracheal mucus secretions and thereby producing demulcent effect on the throat. It facilitates the movement of the mucus from the respiratory tract. But not only the respiratory tract, it has shown to have a good effect through the central nervous system. It has been found that the opioid system as well as the GABAergic system of the central nervous system are both activated by the holy basil and thereby exerting the antitussive, that is the anti-cough effect. The Panch Tulsi, that is all the 5 species of tulsi combined, have also been studied and they have found to be very effective against the cold as well as the cough. It shows better relief compared to the control acetaminophen, which is a very popular allopathic medicine. The neutrophil count also decreased slightly. Now the neutrophils are the very important first innate immune cells that migrate to the site of infection. However, the same neutrophil products are also involved in stimulating mucus secretions and the sneezing and the coughing. The small decrease in neutrophil count suggests faster resolution to the common cold. Cytokines like interleukin 8 and 6 are generally elevated during respiratory tract infections. In this study, they are shown to have not been excessively stimulated, suggesting a faster cure to the common cold. A very interesting study against cracker smoke has also been done. All of us celebrate Diwali and there is a lot of smoke generated during the festival. This study shows that the holy basil regulates the hematological and the serum biochemical parameters such as the red blood cells, white blood cells, blood urine nitrogen and creatinine kinase. It also inhibits the oxidative stress, that is, inhibits the free radicals and the bad particles that are produced in the body, and regulates the neurotransmitter levels. Holy basil was also found to preserve the morphology, that is the proper structure of the lungs against this cracker smoke. Randomized clinical trials have also been done to evaluate the effect of the holy basil on the immune system. It was found that the holy basil increased the immune response with increased natural killer cells, that is the NK cells, and the T helper cells in healthy adult participants, compared to placebo volunteers after 4 weeks of 300 mg of tulsi leaf extract daily was taken before food. Another clinical trial has also been done where it was found that young adult volunteers who were provided with nutrition bars having tulsi leaf extract showed a significant improvement in VO2 max, that is the maximum amount of oxygen you can utilize, and also lessened the fatigue and improved the immune response to viral infections. So, an all-rounder herb, active against fungus, bacteria, virus, helpful in immunity and helpful in other respiratory tract disorders as well. So what's in it for us to explore further? Where constant activity has been done on the phytoconstituents. There is ursolic acid, there is carbacrol, there is eugenol methyl ether, all new constituents of the holy basil apart from eugenol, they are all being investigated upon. Standardization of tulsi is also very important because of so many species, and so the differentiation of those various species of ocimum is also very important. Nickel and silver nanoparticles are being synthesized utilizing the oil of the holy basil, and so that to evaluate how effective they can be against any of the infections. Can they be more effective than simply the tulsi leaves or its volatile oil? And novel products are also coming in the market which consist of tulsi, the latest one being tulsi milk. Well, so many things can be done regarding tulsi, the most important one being let us preserve it and respect it in our own homes. Thank you.